By name is Kawere Samuel, an agriculture student at Uganda Matters University in Nkozi. Where we are in a farm called Heritage Farm Kirema, located in Kirema, Central Sub-County, Nakaseke District. As you see the farm is an agroecology farm, practicing agroforestry, mixing animals, the dairy cattle, the birds, as we are going to see everything. It's quite interesting. This farm deals in the production of coffee. It has coffee plantations, dairy, poultry, and it practices agroforestry. Agroforestry is a land use system where farmers intentionally or deliberately grow trees, especially the important trees, for the benefit of their gardens. They integrate trees with the crops, whereby trees they provide the shade. For example, Albizia coriaria, the famous known Mugavu tree, they provide the shade. At the same time, they fix nitrogen. These trees act as windbreaks for the strong hailstorms. In case any hailstorm wants to attack or it has occurred and it's going to destroy the garden, these trees act as windbreaks. Yes, there's a tree it's a shrub called Grisidia sepium. We are going to see it. This is fodder for animals. It provides fodder, firewood, at the same time fixes nitrogen in the soil. There's a shrub called Grisidia, then that one is there. There's a shrub called Cariandra carothisis. It provides fodder for the animals. As I told you, this farm engages in a dairy, at the same time coffee plantations, then poultry. There is that systematic win-win situation whereby the trees provide the fodder, the trees provide the nitrogen, then they feed the animals fecal matter or the animals residues, they are taken back to the farm and they are incorporated in the soil to produce the manure, hence maintaining the fertility of the soil. In agroforestry, we have different kind of trees, like these ones on the boundary. This one is called Terminaria ivorensis, a tree. It acts as a windbreak. So this one was set up here to protect the bananas from the harsh winds. Then in addition of that, we have Albizia coriaria, the other Mugavu tree, scientifically known as Albizia coriaria, provides the shade and it litters the leaves which provide manure, nitrogen to the soil, thus maintaining the biolife of the garden. So there is a very good interaction here. So these bananas, they provide food for us, the humans. Then the pseudostems or the stems are fed to the animals. Then the animals provide the cow dung, which is later brought back to the what? To the garden. And this interaction shows that there is that mutual kind of relationship, and it is harmless. Nothing is being affected in this such kind of a system. So I'm telling you that agroforestry is the way to go. As I told you, that agroforestry is the planting of useful trees. Useful trees. Now this is cashew nut. Cashew nut is being integrated in bananas. Yes, we know we enjoy the cashew nuts. Then the leaves, they fall down, they act as the mulches for the plants. As you see, the entire garden is very smart. This is because of agroforestry. The other side is coffee integrated with bananas and trees. There's a very good ecological relationship there, where the bananas, they provide the food for the human beings and the fodder for the animals. Then the coffee provides coffee, which we sell and we earn a living. Then the trees, the mangoes, mangifera, then and the mugavu tree plus the guavas, they provide food for us. We enjoy the fruits. At the same time, they hold the soils together so that the soil does not be affected by soil erosion, and they fix nitrogen, and they improve the fertility of the entire farm. These are sheep. Here we have a good number. Now these sheep here, they are called weed masters. They help in the weeding of the coffee plantation. We don't use much labor. So they help, they go and they feed on the grass and they maintain the size of the grass. Now the ducks, we call them the scavengers. They scavenge on the pests, all the pests which attack the farm. The ducks you are seeing are the predators to those pests. These are agroforestry trees called Albizia coriaria. The local name is called mugavu. As you see them, they are sparsely, they are scattered in this farm to provide shade. There is one limitation within this agroforestry system, the labor challenge. Because here we don't accept to use chemicals. So that we can conserve the environment, we can protect the biodiversity. So labor is the challenge, and also there's competition for water here, because these trees, they take a lot of water, which would have helped the coffee. So this challenge poses some risks. However much we have that challenge, but we provided some good irrigation. So we do the irrigation of the coffee so that we can maintain the moisture in the soil to improve the productivity of the coffee plantation and other plantations within the farm. So this is the Calyandra Calothysus, which provides the fodder, firewood, and also maintains the soil fertility by provision of nitrogen. So now this was cut and it was taken, the fodder was taken to the animals. Then the firewood were taken for fuel, to provide fuel in cooking. So this is the entire Calyandra, we call it Calyandra woodlot. Now it is regenerating because it has that ability of regeneration. So here it is. As I told you, this is Calyandra. Now as I told you that these ones, the leaves, this is fodder, animal fodder for the dairy and the beef. Now this one is firewood. and it is having high carbon content, so which means that it produces some good fire or fuel for cooking. So this one is soon to be taken. They will cut, they take off the leaves, the animals, then the stems are used for firewood. You know, this one has its regenerating ability. The moment you prune it, it sprouts. It sprouts. So it keeps on providing for sustainability throughout the entire season. In conclusion, agroforestry is the way to go. Now look at this farm. We have the trees for fuel wood, tree for timber. The same trees, we call them the multi-purpose trees and shrubs. We have the shrubs for fodder, for firewood, and also for nitrogen fixation. At the same time, we have the banana plantation. So this is a sustainable kind of farm. Yeah. This improves the livelihood, and agroforestry is the best option for sustainability of the farm. This was our session of agroforestry, showing the importance of agroforestry in sustainable farming. So I once again thank everybody, and I once again thank the management of the farm, my editor, and I thank Uganda Matters for giving me the opportunity to pursue my degree at Uganda Matters University. I'm by names of Kawere Samuel, a Year 4 student of agriculture.